Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you jobs in Denmark that you can apply for like immediately, right? And these jobs are in all occupations, all industries. You can get a job as a hairdresser, an electrician, a doctor, a nurse, a healthcare assistant, an engineer, like all the jobs, just name it, including chefs, yeah, just name it. You can get jobs in Denmark and actually migrate to the country on these jobs. And there's a special pathway you can use down to Denmark, for these occupations I've mentioned, and that is in a video I did. So I'm going to be linking it up here and in the description box below. So do watch that video to know everything about this pathway, how you can migrate to Denmark without visa sponsorship. Unlike the UK where an employer has to actually sponsor your visa to the country. For this particular pathway to Denmark, you don't need a visa sponsorship job. You're going to sponsor yourself down to the country. So do watch that video to know how this is done. I actually gave a step-by-step process on how to apply for this visa, and I also gave all the documents you need. And Denmark recently introduced a positive list of skilled work, and that is the pathway you're going to be using to the country. So they have this list, and it's similar to what the UK has for the shortage occupation list, and similar to what Ireland has for the critical skills occupation list. So that for Denmark is the positive list for skilled work. So if your occupation is listed on this list, then you can migrate to the country, without visa sponsorship. And on this pathway, you have a chance to become a permanent resident. Just watch the video, get to know all the details. I talked about everything you need to know about this pathway in that video. And yes, you can migrate with your family on this pathway. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to Jackie Travels. On this channel, I share information to help you migrate abroad, to study, to work, and to live. Right now, I have so many videos you can watch for how to migrate to so many countries like the UK, Ireland, Netherlands, Japan, Australia, Sweden, Portugal, so many. So you want to watch my videos so you can know your options, right? And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate you always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so very much. So in this video, as promised, I want to show you where to find jobs in Denmark and how to find jobs. Basically, I'm going to be showing you like live jobs right now. I'm going to show you so you can apply for these jobs and then make your way down to Denmark. So I want to show you this website. This is Job Index, in Denmark. So the URL is jobindex.dk. So you can just go here and change the language from Danish to English, right? Yeah, so it's now on English. So you can come here and search for a job that you want, and you can also search which area in Denmark you want this job. So you can see jobs in all these categories. There's information technology, engineering and technology, management and staff, trade and service, industry and craft, sales and communication, teaching, office and finance, social and health, and other positions. So we have and you can see the number of jobs in every of these categories. You can see that, right? Teaching is 2,204, engineering 2,212, stuff like that. They've written it for every of the categories. Okay, so let's just click one of the categories and start from there. Start with the first one to see the jobs that are available here. And so we have other categories in here. There's system development and programming. There is financial and company systems, IT management, IT maintenance and support, internet and www, tele and data communication, database, IT courses for the unemployed. Okay, so let's look at the jobs here: system development and programming. And now we have it by area. So I'm just going to click on the capital area. Let's see the jobs that are available there. Okay, so we have some jobs that have come up here, and I'm just going to click on any of them. Let's see the details of the job. So software engineer, let me click on this, view job. Okay, all right, so this is software engineer. A challenging job in an international high tech company in growth. Are you the creative type who is not afraid to propose unconventional ideas and solutions? And do you love to be in the laboratory and make things work? Then maybe you are our new software engineer who will join our digitization journey and contribute to bringing grass product portfolio to a new level. So this is what the job is about, who they are looking for. Yeah, so you can see all this. And then let's look at, work assignments, what you're going to be doing on this role. This is what they are saying: software development and digital electronics, development of system algorithms for data collection, analysis, and optimization, and all of that. And then about you, what are the qualifications they are looking for? You are primarily a software developer, experience working with programming. You are used to working closely with HW developers and are not afraid to work with digital HW yourself. You are originally an engineer. So just look at all of this. If that sounds like you can head down to the website and apply for this immediately. So about the company, this is what they have going on. You can also read that as well. So they now said application and CV sent by email to the email address is here, and this is the subject you're gonna have as you're sending your CV to them, and you should send this not later than the 20th of December. So yeah, so this is it, and you can just do this for other jobs as well. So remember, for this I did not do a search, I just went directly to the jobs that were on their homepage. So you can also do this by searching for a job as well. So you can also search for a job that you're looking for. Okay, so let's say you want to run a search. You're going to come here and run the search. Let's say we're looking for engineer, right? Let's just do engineer and search. Okay, so engineering jobs have come up: site reliability engineer, VP of engineering, automation engineer, and other engineers as well. So let's pick one of them to see what the details is about. Data engineer. Okay, so let's look at this particular one here. So the page is in Danish, so we're just going to change it to English. All right, so it is in English right now, so we can see the details of this. Yeah. So basically, that's how it works. You just go through the jobs and see if you meet the requirements. If you don't meet the requirements, check for another opening. There are thousands and thousands of jobs right here. So any of them you can search for. Yeah. So just go through them and apply for only the ones you qualify for, so you don't get, rejections and then get discouraged. All right. So this site has a total of 34,000 jobs as at today. So go through them, go through these jobs. In every industry, they have thousands of jobs, as you can see here. So there are quite a lot of jobs for whatever you're looking for. So go through this, see the kind of job you want to apply for, and then go ahead and apply for it. So on this site, you can also check your salary. You can submit your CV. This is a job site. So even if you're not like applying to any position, you can also submit your CV, and they will send you notifications when jobs that you qualify for come up. It's just like other job sites like Indeed. You upload your CV there and Indeed sends you email. So it's basically like that, right? And they also have apps, for job search, so you can also look at that as well, and then see how you can take advantage of all of that. So this is a very good website which you can use to get a job in Denmark. This is like the biggest job site in Denmark, jobindex.dk. So you can go check it out and see how you can apply for jobs here. And the next site you can get a job in Denmark is on Indeed, and the URL for Denmark is dk.indeed.com, right? So you can go to the website and search for jobs. So you right click to change your language to English. Yeah, so it's on English right now. So you can go in here and search for any job you want. Let's say we are looking for hairdresser. Yeah, let's check for hairdresser because this occupation is on the positive list. So you can see jobs that have come out for that. Product specialist, agile release manager. Let's translate to English again. All right. So that's it, head of sales, operations, business process specialist. And you remember for this pathway that I'm bringing to you right now, you don't need visa sponsorship jobs. So don't be looking for only those that have visa sponsorship. You're open to any job at all in Denmark. So you actually have to tell them that, yeah, you're overseas, but you don't need visa sponsorship. They should just give you the job and you sponsor yourself down to the country. So that will encourage them to actually hire you, because even those that are not open to hiring from overseas because of the cost implication, by the time you tell them that you're going to, sponsor yourself down to the country, that you take care of your visa down to the country, that all you need is a job offer, they'll be more open to hiring you from overseas. Yeah, so that's it. You all know how Indeed works. I've talked about Indeed, in different countries, so it's basically the same thing. So yeah, those are the two websites you can take advantage of: Indeed and jobindex.dk. So I wish you all the best. All right, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, you found it valuable, then do give it a thumbs up and also recommend it to other people so they could take advantage of this pathway. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end, and subscribe if you've not done that already. See you in my next video.